President Lai Ching-te on Friday put forth a new round of Constitutional Court nominees. This comes weeks after the Legislative Yuan refused to approve an earlier round of nominations. At a press briefing, Vice President Hsiao Bi-khim announced that the 7 nominees include Tsai Chiu-ming, a head prosecutor of the Taiwan High Prosecutors Office, who will also be president of the Judicial Yuan. There's also Su Su-er, a Supreme Court judge who is the government's pick for vice president. They also included scholars as well. Hsiao said she hoped the legislature would support the new list.
Vice President Hsiao Bi-khim leads the 7 nominees to sit together in front of reporters. Tsai Chiu-ming, a head prosecutor with the Taiwan Prosecutors Office, has been nominated as a Constitutional Court judge and president of the Judicial Yuan. Nominated to be his deputy is Su Su-er, a Supreme Court judge.
There were 3 considerations involved in these nominations that are also expectations. The first is to protect the constitutional system of freedom and democracy and defend human rights. The second is to enhance our professional capabilities involving national security cases and ensure the nation is secure and politics is clean. The third is to continue to promote judicial reform.
Both Tsai and Su investigated and tried a major corruption case in the 1990s surrounding the Taiwanese military's procurement of Lafayette-class frigates from France. Tsai tracked an arms dealer's illicit funds across borders, and Su was the judge to make the first ruling to confiscate the arms dealer's family's funds in Switzerland. The pair recovered nearly 1 billion NT in bribes and kickbacks on behalf of the Taiwanese government. Other Constitutional Court nominees include Xiao Wen-sheng, a professor with the Department of Law at National Zhongzheng University, Zhen Chunhui, a current Supreme Court judge, Lin Yiying, head prosecutor with the Taiwan High Prosecutors Office, Chen Se-yang, a professor with the Department of Law at National Taipei University, and Zhang Zhenrong, a distinguished professor with National Zhengzhou University.
The Chinese Communist Party is extremely proactive in infiltrating and even challenging and destroying our constitutional system, so we need an extremely sound and complete system. The president's expectation is that the current system of the separation of the 5 powers needs to be maintained, so we hereby especially hope that our legislators from all parties can uphold professional considerations.
Lai's previous Constitutional Court nominees were all rejected by the Legislative Yuan. Hsiao called on the legislature to support and protect Taiwan's democracy.